Welcome back to our channel One to Step, and in today's video I will teach you guys how you guys can find Glossier promo code. And before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel One to Step, hit that subscribe to our channel. Let's move on. So the first thing is you want to go to this website called Coupon Follow. So once you search for Coupon Follow, first option which says couponfollow.com, you want to click on it and it'll take you to its official page. Once you're in this page where it says search, you just want to search for Glossier. So write Glossier, Glossier, and it should show you glossier.com. You want to click on it and it'll show you all the promo codes available for Glossier over here. From all these options, you can choose the promo code you like. Let's say I like this 10% off one. I'm just going to click on show coupon code and it's going to show me the code. Now I can just copy it, and during my checkout time in Glossier.com, I can apply this promo code and I will get 10% off using this code on whatever I order in Glossier.com. So that's how you guys can find Glossier promo code. If you guys found our video helpful, hit that subscribe to our channel One to Step. I'll see you guys in my future video. Bye bye until then.